Hey guys, it's Monique from Unbeatable Faces, and I'm here today to show you how to clean your makeup brushes. The first step is to clean your sink. Scrub it down really, really good. I use a Kappa bleach, I use Dawn soap, I use my Scrub Daddy, and I use hot water, and I scrub it really, really good. And then I follow it up with boiling hot water just to make sure it's really clean. The next step is you can use the palm of your hand, but I like to use this pad just to ensure the bristles are really clean and gets deep into it. So, of course, Dawn soap is a must to clean your brushes. You see, it's safe for the animals, safe. So, I really go in deep, scrub it, scrub. Then I follow it up with my fingertips just to push the product out. Just make sure you're pushing the product out. Because, the pad is just there to help you. It's not really going to get all the product out. You really have to push it with your fingertips. And you see how I'm getting deep in there? Yeah, you see it's coming out. And if you see that it doesn't come out, all you have to do is redo it. And just make sure it get all the product out. Rinse it out really, really good because it's soap. So if you don't rinse it out, of course, the brush is going to be hard. As you can see, they're really clean. So you do the same thing for powder brushes. The only brushes that are a little more difficult are concealer and foundations because they're packed in with oils. But like the shadow brushes, the setting brushes, they're a little easier. The blush brushes are a little easier. You just need Dawn soap. And then don't be like me and let your brushes sit for a week with the product because look, it doesn't come out. So now I'm going to show you how to use a different product to add the aroma. Laundry soap, the best. Like I learned this from another makeup artist, and ever since my brushes have been coming out clean. Also, you can use oil. I think it's vegetable oil, olive oil. But you have to make sure you really rinse that product out because then your brush is gonna have that oily texture on it. But as you can see, I'm doing the same steps as I did in the first video. Make sure that product gets out, and as you can see, look how clean after I used the aroma. Like that thing is like I think $2 for that pack, and it lasts me more than a month. So now these are concealer brushes. The concealer brushes are a little more, it's more work. So using the aroma soap, you don't have to worry about all that work. Just use that pad, go scrub it, do the same steps, push all that product out. I feel like when you use just Dawn, it doesn't work as good. It takes more work too. But say if you do a client and you wash your brushes right after your client, you can use the Dawn and it comes out fine. But don't be like me, like I said. Don't let your brushes sit for a week and the product just sitting there marinating on the brush, and now you over here struggling trying to get that off, and then when you get to your clients, your brushes look like they half clean. Not over here like run to the store and get their aroma.